Hi everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to solve ARD previous year paper for NABARD Grade A 2023. So we will understand today that what are the set of questions that was asked in 2023 examination. And if you are actively preparing for this examination, it's very important for you to have a look on these PYQs because these PYQs are going to give you insight like what type of questions are being asked in the NABARD, to what extent you have to read any topic, what is the depth of knowledge that is required for any particular topic or for any particular chapter. Also, for this ARD subject, whether you want core agriculture knowledge or you need to have a surface agriculture knowledge. So that is why it's very important that you solve these प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर. तो आज हम इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में वी विल बी सॉल्विंग PYQ ऑफ 2023 एग्जामिनेशन एंड वी विल बी सीइंग दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वर देयर इन द एग्जामिनेशन सो दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड examination trend very well as we get a understanding of this particular subject, like from this subject out of the syllabus which has been given in the NABARD notification, what kind of questions can we expect in future examination, right? So I'll start my video, but before I start I wanted to tell you about the initiative. This is our guidebook for NABARD Grade A examination. Now this guidebook is a one-stop solution for all your queries regarding NABARD Grade A examination. So if you want to know about what is NABARD Grade A examination, what is pattern, syllabus, decoded syllabus, as well as resources. So everything is provided here. For that you have to just go to the description box, click on the link, register yourself and download this useful ebook for yourself. So with that I'll start the video and let's start solving the questions. So the first question is, what is the scientific name of carnation? Okay, so students, as we see, exam pattern is changing and now NABARD has started asking question from scientific name. Earlier NABARD do not used to ask this type of question, but now scientific name is being asked frequently in every year. So you have to learn few important crops and their scientific name. It's not possible to learn scientific name of each and every crop, but at least few important cereal crops you have to learn, few important pulses crops, few important then commercial crops, horticulture crop, plantation crop, flower crops, vegetable crops, fruit crops. So different important crops and their scientific name you have to learn. And in this particular question you have been asked a scientific name of a carnation. Carnation is basically a flower, right? So the scientific name of this flower is, as option has given, Dianthus carophyllus, Helianthus, Dianthus barbatus, Gladiolus, lathyrus. So answer for this question was Dianthus carophyllus, as scientific name of carnation is Dianthus carophyllus. ठीक है? So this is a flower, okay, this is a flower which is known for its petal and fragrance. Now Helianthus is basically the scientific name of sunflower, okay, and Dianthus barbatus is scientific name of sweet william. It's not carnation, it's different from carnation. Then we have gladiolus. It is a different flower, okay, it is a different genus and it has a tall spikes of flowers. It is kind of, gladiolus is basically a different flower altogether, right? Lathyrus is basically for the sweet pea. So out of all the option, Dianthus carophyllus is the correct answer. Clear? So let's move ahead to the next question. Now here's the question from the soil erosion topic. So what is the term for the stage of soil erosion when it become exhaustive, leading to the formation of finger-like projections? Okay, we have been given option: sheet erosion, rill erosion, gully erosion, saltation, suspension. So let's see what are these. So what is sheet erosion? Students, this is a type of water erosion where entire top layer, entire top sheet get eroded from one place to another place, right? It is like uniform layer, entire uniform layer, a sheet of like a soil get transferred from one place to another place in the form of sheet. Clear? So this particular erosion is very harmful for agriculture because entire sheet of soil is being eroded. Then it is a part of top layer, so it contain all the important nutrient and mineral, and if that sheet get washed off, we will be left with infertile soil, right? So it's very harmful for agriculture and usually it is not noticeable. It's very gradual erosion that happens and not noticeable to the farmer. So when the soil become infertile, then it is noticed, okay, now their sheet erosion has happened for quite a long period of time, right? So this is a sheet erosion. Here no finger-like projections are formed, so this will not be the answer, right? Now let's move ahead to the suspension. What is suspension? Basically it is a air or wind erosion, I would say. In this, the small particle, they remain suspended in the air. Okay, they remain suspended in the air and they move along with the wind and they will settle where the wind stop. Okay, so they do not, once they are lifted from ground, they do not come back to the ground. Rather, they remain suspended in the air because the particle size are very small and they are very light particle. So this will not be the answer. Then we have saltation. In case of saltation, the particle once lifted bounce back. Okay, the particle once lifted get bounced back, and in this way, if the erosion is happening, that is called saltation, right? Then we have gully erosion. So gully erosion is what? It is an extensive form of a erosion where gullies are formed, and these gullies are of depth more than 30 centimeter, right? इन गलीज की जो डेप्थ है वो 30 सेंटीमीटर से भी ज़्यादा होती है एंड इट इज़ नॉट ईजिली टू क्योर, it's not possible to cure these gullies once they are formed, right? So it is not the answer. So answer will be rill erosion, because in rill erosion what is happening, small finger like projection or small channels are formed on the surface, and these can be again cured if we can do plowing over that field of over that piece of land, right? So answer here will be rill erosion. Now let's move to the next question. Here a very straightforward question has been asked. What is the period of southwest monsoon? So the period of southwest monsoon is June to September. Very easy question, right? So you have to just learn. Now see, as we are going through these questions, you have to take a note of topics also from where this question has been asked. So here a question has been asked from scientific name. I have already told you that you have to learn scientific name of important crops, right? This question is from soil erosion, so you have to cover topic soil erosion. Now this question 3 was from Indian monsoon, so you have to learn about the monsoon. What is monsoon, what is southwest monsoon, what is northeast monsoon, and when did they arrive, right? So this is the very easy question, I would say. Now another question, again a very easy question from MSP. So it has been asked to you that MSP is recommended by which of the following institute? Okay, so basically for MSP the recommendation is given by CACP, which is Commission for Agriculture Costs and Prices, right? Recommendation is given by CACP and it is approved by Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, right? So CCE approve the MSP while recommendation is given by CACP. Clear? Very easy. Again, MSP is what? It is minimum support price. It is the minimum price that is provided to farmer for that particular crop, like for say every year before harvesting of Kharif and Rabi crop, for both the season MSP is announced, and that is the minimum price that farmer will get for selling the crop. Clear? So I hope it is clear. And MSP is again an important topic. You have to either also learn what is the MSP for different crops for that particular year whenever you are appearing for the examination, right? So that can be also asked to you. Now next question is from the storage. Okay, this is the question of post-harvest storage management, post-harvest management basically topic. So what is the optimum storage moisture percentage for food grains, right? Here options has been given and the right answer for this question will be option D, that is 10 to 14%. This is the optimum storage moisture percentage for food grain. Okay, so what is this optimum storage moisture storage percentage? So students, see, once the crop is harvested, during at that point the fresh harvested crop have moisture content which is high at higher end, means the moisture content of crop will be very high. It can be 50%, 60%, and we need to bring down this moisture content. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें ये crop को store करना है. अगर हमें इस crop को longer duration के लिए store करना है, so we need to bring down the moisture content to optimum level. Okay, and that optimum level for food grain is 10 to 14%. Clear? Let's move to next question. The next question is, which of the following soil type has least particle density? What is particle density? Particle density is the density of soil solids. Okay, here we are not counting we are not counting the weight of soil pores and soil air that we have. Rather we are just concerned about soil solids, right? So when we take out the particle density of soil solid, when we take out the density of soil solids, that is the particle density, and it is also known as real density or actual density. So basically, out of the given option, if we see, the particle density of clay will be which of the following soil type have the least particle density? So least particle density will be of sandy soil. Okay, it will be of sandy soil, not clay soil, but sandy soil. If it would have been asked that which of the following soil type have highest particle density, then clay would have been the answer. Clear? So students, in this particular case, see, when we talk about particle density, we are talking about individual soil particle. And when we see the formation of clay and sand type of soil particle, clay is usually formed from heavy minerals. So if any soil particle is made up of heavy mineral, the particle density will be more for that, right? Sandy soil on the other hand is made up of light minerals. So hence particle density of sandy soil will be less. Clear? So understand this in this way. There are other factors also, but this is the thing that can be easily understood, that clay is made up of heavy minerals, hence the particle density is more. Sandy soil is made up of light minerals, hence the particle density is less. Clear? Next question is, which of the following biofertilizer is not used in non-legume crops? Clear? So options are given: azospirillum, azobacter, blue-green algae, rhizobium, azolla. So right answer for this question will be D, rhizobium, because rhizobium is used for the legume crop, right? Rhizobium is used for the legume crop, and it fixes nitrogen with symbiotic association with legume crop. Clear? Azospirillum, azobacter are free living and are not used for legume, they are rather used for cereal crops, right? And BG and azolla are used in rice field. Clear? So answer here will be rhizobium. Now you can see biofertilizer topic is important. You have to learn what is biofertilizer, different types of biofertilizer. And from the previous question, you have to learn that you have to learn about the soil particle density, soil bulk density, right? So this is again important topic. So likewise, you have to analyze these questions. You do just not need to solve this. If you are able to solve it, that's good. But just do not go on solving this question. Try to analyze also that what are the important topic for examination, from which topic more number of question has been asked, what kind of question has been asked, to what depth question is asking you, to what depth question has been asked. So just try to analyze also simultaneously. Now this is a question from fisheries chapter. What should be the optimum range of dissolved oxygen for fish to grow? So answer for this question is 6 ppm. This is a directly fact-based question. Okay, so when we study about optimum condition to grow or cultivate fishes, there we learn what should be the dissolved oxygen. So it should be around 6 ppm. Now, a very easy question again from irrigation project. So your water and irrigation chapter must be is important for your examination, and there you have to learn about irrigation project. So which of the following irrigation project has cultural command area of 2000 to 10,000 hectare area? So answer will be medium project, right? If I talk about major project, so in major project cultural command area will be more than 10,000 hectare. For minor project it will be less than 2,000 hectare, while medium have 2,000 to 10,000 hectare. Clear? Very easy question. Now next question is from your animal husbandry chapter. What is the term used for castrating a female pig? Okay, so you have to learn different terminologies given to different animals, right? So here answer will be option C, spade. So when we castrate female pig, it is called as spade, or the process is known as spaying. Okay, so here sow is basically a mature female, gilt is young female, not farrowed means it is just a young female which haven't been mated with a male. Then spade is castrated female. Stag is castrated male. Okay, stag is the name of castrated male. And dam is any female parent. In animal husbandry, when we say dam, it is referring to any female parent. Clear? So I hope all these terms are clear to you, and you have to learn these terms. What are the terms that are given for different gender and also for different animals, right? So which of the following is operational cost of tractor? Now students, this is the question from your farm and agriculture engineering. So operational cost is basically the maintenance cost, that is the day-to-day cost of cost in fuel or for maintaining the tractor, for fuel, lubrication, right? So all these costs are maintenance cost, operation cost, which is also called as maintenance cost. Clear? The day-to-day maintaining cost of tractor is operational cost of tractor. Next question is, which of the following extension technique method shows a group of farmer how is something done step by step to teach new techniques and practices? So students, this is a question from your agriculture extension chapter, right? So here this question has been asked from you regarding type of extension education method. So for this, answer will be option C, which is method demonstration. So in case of method demonstration, step by step farmers are taught how to how to perform a particular technique, how to adopt a particular technique. In case of result demonstration, what is done? Already a farmer is asked to demonstrate, already a farmer demonstrate who have already adopted a technology. The field of that farmer is used to demonstrate to other farmers that this particular farmer is able to do this thing. So now you can take inspiration from him and you can do same for yourself, right? So that is the result demonstration. Then we have group discussion. What is group discussion? Group of farmers are collected and a discussion is done among them. Then we have farm and home visit, where the extension officers are visiting farm or home of a farmer and then discussing with them regarding their problem or regarding any technology. Then office calls are regarding, through telephonic calls, farmer and extension workers are connecting, right? Next question is again from animal husbandry. Which of the following is milch and draught purpose cattle that has been originated from Nasik, Ahmednagar, of Maharashtra? So options are given to you, and from these options, right answer will be A, that is Dangi. Okay, Dangi basically is a dual purpose from Maharashtra, while Sahilwal is a milk purpose breed. Kankrej is again a dual purpose but not from Maharashtra. Red Sindhi is milk purpose, and Jersey is your exotic breed. Clear? So now you have to learn different breeds, your different types of breed under your milk purpose, draught purpose, and dual purpose, also their origin. Okay, so from there also question have been asked. So now next question is, what is the term for chicken with tender meat weigh between 1.5 to 2 kgs? Again a question from poultry, right? Animal husbandry and poultry. So answer for this question will be option E, that is broiler, because here it has been written that chicken with tender meat. So when we are using chicken for meat purpose, it will be called as broiler. When we are growing chickens for egg purpose, that will be called as layers, right? So basically broilers are grown for meat. Okay, layers are for egg production. Growers are intermediate stage, means a growing stage of chicken. Then chick is a baby bird and hen is adult female, right? So all these terms are clear, and that's why answer will be option E. Chalo, next question is, what is the period during which layers in poultry are economical? Again a question from poultry. So answer for this question will be option E, 18 months. So basically the layers, the egg laying birds are economical till 18 months, right? So with this, let's move ahead. What is the tag color of certified seed? Okay, now question from seed certification. So seed and sowing wala topic, right? You have to learn seed certification. Under that, you have to learn the tag color of different classes of seed. So here for certified seed, tag color is blue. Clear? Answer will be option C, which is blue. So for certified seed, it is blue. For foundation seed, it is white. For registered, it is purple. For breeder, it is golden yellow. Clear? Chalo. Now next question is from again your soil and water conservation chapter. So salt concentration in soil is measured by electrical conductivity. What is SI unit of EC? So again, very important topic. So here this question has been asked from you from the topic problematic soil. So problematic soils आपने पढ़नी है अच्छे से, ठीक है? तो EC is what? It is electrical conductivity that measures that measures the concentration of salt. कितना salt concentration है किसी particular soil में, वो किससे measure किया जाता है? EC से. EC क्या है? Electrical conductivity. अगर किसी soil में salt concentration ज़्यादा है, उसकी electrical conductivity ज़्यादा होगी. Salt concentration कम होगा तो electrical conductivity कम होगी. So and that is how we measured concentration of salt in any soil, right? And unit of this AC is deci-Simon per meter. So this is the standard unit of electrical conductivity. Next question is Acacia catechu belong to which of the following family? So basically students, this Acacia catechu is belonging to family Fabaceae. ठीक है, तो family से भी question आया है. Now you don't have to learn up just scientific name, but also families of few important crops, right? So this is a forest crop. So again, important hai, you have to learn about the forest crop as well as their family. Same for your other crops and their family, right? Which type of agriculture receive rainfall between 750 to 1150 mm? So answer for this question will be option D, dryland agriculture. Okay, very easy. Below 750, if any region receive any rainfall, that will be called as dry agriculture. Dryland falls between 750 to 1050 mm, and rainfed is more than 1150 mm. Okay, so this is the classification of dryland farming, and I hope this is easy question. Now next question is regarding groundnut. Now this is a very in-depth question, means this question required in-depth knowledge of individual crop. So groundnut have dash protein and dash oil content. So students, ये थोड़ा difficulty level ज़्यादा हो गया. I would say this is a most difficult question of ARD right now that has been asked in your 2023 examination. Now for such question, if it comes in your future examination, if you know answer, you please go ahead and opt it. Otherwise you can skip it. Okay, it's not necessary that you have to answer each question, because there will be 1 to 2 questions which are very out of syllabus and you might not have idea regarding that. ठीक है? So here for groundnut, answer will be option C, 10 to 20% protein and 30 to 40% oil content. That is the correct answer. Again, question from animal husbandry. What is the term used when young ones are separated before giving a chance for mother to nurture them? So this is a process which is followed in animal husbandry, where young ones are separated after their birth. These young ones are separated from mothers. So this process is basically known as weaning. Okay, this process, the term has been given to this process, which is weaning. Next question is, which of the following involve raising morphologically and physiologically different crops that complement each other, and succeeding crops have immense potential? Now again, this is a very difficult level question that was asked to you. So basically students, the answer to this question, see, you have to see the option. So first option is integrated farming. In integrated farming, we are not just raising crop, but also we are considering raising livestock, poultry, and etc. But here only crops are mentioned in the question, so it will not be the answer. So then we have intensive cropping and extensive cropping. Again, cannot be the answer because they are not related to whatever is asked to your in a question. Then if I talk about supplementary cropping, in supplementary cropping we grow 2 crop at a time, but here you have been asked that one is grown after the other, right? So that happens in complementary intensive intercropping system. So answer here will be option C, complementary intensive intercropping system. Again, a very difficult question, not a general term that we read in agriculture, but still it has been asked, so we have to cover it, right? And you have to know this thing. Then next question is from again soil. Which rock is formed from the weathering of other rock, right? So answer for this question will be sedimentary rock, right? Igneous rock is formed from the volcanic eruption. Sedimentary rock is formed from the sedimentation of other rocks. Metamorphic rock is formed when the igneous and sedimentary rock undergo high pressure, change in temperature, and the complete composition of igneous and sedimentary rock change into something new. That new rock will be called as metamorphic rock. Clear? So now intrusive and extrusive are type of igneous rock. Okay, intrusive and extrusive are different type of metamorphic rock. Igneous rock. So answer here will be sedimentary rock. Next question is, to which among the following is objective of pruning? Okay, now this is a question from your plantation and horticulture crop. So pruning is basically done to ensure the production of many strong and healthy shoots. So we prune out, we cut out some branches so that other strong and healthy shoots are allowed to grow. Okay? So this is the objective of pruning. Next question is, which instrument is used for to change voltage without changing frequency? Now this is a question from agrometrology chapter, where you have to read about all the different type of devices. So here the answer for this question will be transformer. Okay, so transformer is an instrument which is used to change voltage without changing frequency. Next question is which of the following is correct regarding seed propagation in forest management? Forestry का question है. It does not lead to variability. True to type plants are obtained through seed propagation. The most common and easy technique to propagate plant, all of the above, none of the above. See students, here it question is asking which of the following is correct regarding seed propagation. ठीक है, so it does not lead to variability. First of all, seed propagation lead to variability. It will not be answered. True to type plants are obtained through seed propagation. No. In case of seed propagation, there are chances of cross pollination and variability can be there. The most common and easy technique to propagate plant, right? Now, yes, seed propagation can be considered as the easy, common and easy technique to propagate plant. So answer here will be option C, right? Chalo. Next question is, now we are moving ahead to your current affair part. So what is RBI lending target for small marginal farmers? Sorry. So students, if there is any news covering this type of things, you have to keep an eye on that. You have to learn that because question have been asked, right? So in 2023, RBI lending target for small marginal farmer was 18% of adjusted net bank credit. Clear? So answer was option E. Next question, the threshold yield for a crop in a notified insurance unit is the average yield of the past 7 years, excluding the calamity years, as notified by state government UT, multiplied by the applicable dash for the crop in a PMFBY. ठीक है? Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. So this is the basically answer for this question will be indemnity level. ठीक है? So again scheme से question है, that is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. You have to cover all the schemes related to agriculture and rural development. You can see question have been asked, right? In which of the following chemical weathering process water molecule is being added to the chemical structure of the mineral? Soil से question है again. ठीक है? So in this, what has been asked to you? In which of the following chemical weathering process water molecule is being added? So when water molecule is added, that is called hydration. ठीक है? And when water molecule is broken down, that is called hydrolysis. Lysis मतलब टूटना. Clear? Hydration मतलब water का add होना. Clear? Next question is which of the following is the process of assessing and sorting different classes excuse me, which of the following is the process of assessing and sorting different classes or standards of fruits based on size, color, quantity? So question is from again your post harvest management. So this process is known as grading. So in case of grading, what we do, we sort different fruits in different classes based on quality, size, color and different parameter. ठीक है? तो grading की जाती है, like A grade, B grade, C grade दिया जाता है. High quality will be given A grade, low quality will be given as C grade. So this is called grading. Next question is, under which of the following scheme the government has announced the distribution of free grains? Again question from your schemes. Answer will be option D, that is Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana. Next question is again from the Manrega scheme. The central government provides additional dash of work in drought hit areas under Manrega scheme to provide relief to farmers in review of deficit monsoon in various part of the country. And answer for this question will be option D, 50 days. Okay, not A, it is option D, which is 50 days. ठीक है? So this is the question from again scheme. Again our next question is from scheme, which is day NRLM. Now they see Manrega, day NRLM, water and sanitation, these are something which are directly mentioned in your syllabus also, so you have to cover all these schemes very well. So day NRLM has provision for interest subvention to cover difference between lending rate of the bank and 7% on all credit from the bank financial institute availed by women SSG for a maximum of dash per SSG. So answer for this will be, it will be 3 lakh per SSG. ठीक है? Next is under Jal Jeevan Mission rural, the mission is to provide dash of water per person per day to every rural household through through functional household tap connections, okay, by 2024. And answer will be option B, that is 55 liters. ठीक है? So this was the answer. Again a question from a mission. So you have to learn all these things. So SBM phase 2 will be implemented from 2020-21 to dash in the mission mode. So answer for this question was 2024 to 2025. ठीक है? Next question is, which of the following greenhouse greenhouse is related, it will be greenhouse gas is related in volcanic eruption, animal respiration and anthropogenic activities like fossil fuel burning. Answer for this question is, students, carbon dioxide, right? So basically all these things through animal respiration carbon dioxide is released, through volcanic eruption carbon dioxide is added, through fossil burning again carbon dioxide is added to the atmosphere, and carbon dioxide is a one of the greenhouse gas, right? That is increasing temperature of greenhouse gases are what, which is increasing temperature of earth atmosphere and leading to global warming. Next question is, which of the following is a pan-India electronic trading portal that networks the existing APMCs Mandi to create a unified national market for agriculture commodities, right? So from portals portals and apps also question have been asked. So if you see any kind of news regarding any portal in the news, you have to cover that, right? And for this, answer will be enam. So enam portal has been created for they can be called as online mandis, right? So next question is, credit target for agriculture and allied sector has been announced to be increased to dash crore with the focus on animal husbandry, dairy and fisheries. So answer for this question is 20 lakh. Okay, so such question is also in the examination, so you have to learn all these type of current affair, right? Next question is, in which of the following ridges are crossed by earth burns within the furrow or ties constructed to enhance soil water erosion? So answer for this is tide ridge. So this is a question from soil conservation topic. You have to learn that topic also. Next is, which of the following is correct statement regarding drip irrigation? Options are, it requires more water than conventional irrigation method. It will not be the answer. It does not provide nutrient and water directly to the root zone. It will not be the answer. Not suitable for salt affected area. Again, incorrect. It requires technical skill and scientific understanding and knowledge. Okay, that can be answered. Let's move ahead to next. Do not prevent percolation losses. Okay. So answer here will be option D, right? It required technical skill and scientific understanding because it is a new technology that required a skilled labor. But in this particular method, require less water as compared to the conventional one. Through this method, we can provide nutrient directly to the root zone, and it is suitable for the salt affected area, and it also prevent percolation losses. Clear? So with this, we have covered all the questions for ARD for your 2023 examination. But before I end this video, I wanted to show you guys our courses. If you are interested in preparing this course with us, so we have launched courses. For that, you have to visit our website, go to the courses, click on NABARD Grade A courses, and you can see all the different courses. We have gold course and silver course. Gold course provide you the content for phase 1, phase 2 and interview preparation, while silver course provide you the content for phase 2 and interview preparation. So if you are interested, you can have a look and join our courses and prepare with us. So with that, I have come to the end of this video. If you're new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much.